Hey everyone, I am back again with new unboxing and installation video for Intel processor i7-14700KF. So let's begin the show. So I have ordered this from Elite Hub, which is also recommended if you are planning to purchase any computer or electronic components. This is how I have received the package, and I would say the packaging is so good. Now let's remove this bubble wrap and see this from inside. This is how the retail units look like for i7 processor. That's it for the unboxing part. There is nothing much to show in the processor. This is how the processor looks from inside. Moving on to the installation part. I have already removed my i9-14900K and I will be using this processor for testing purpose. Firstly, I will open this bracket and then put the processor in place. Make sure to align the arrow on the processor with the arrow on motherboard. Then I will just put the bracket on and tighten the screws. For the thermal paste, I will be using Corsair TM30 Performance Thermal Paste. Now I will just put some thermal paste on the processor. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and comment on this video. Thanks for watching.